Good afternoon. Hey, if you've been looking at commercial property, you know that large commercial buildings with truck bays and attached office space can be very expensive to build new and pretty near impossible to find used. Well, today I'm going to hopefully help you save some money when your new business startup or your business relocation. So come along with me. We're going to look at a big truck garage at 725 Enfield Road in the town of Lincoln with a really large garage, plenty of office space, and room to expand. Today we're in Lincoln, Maine, and we're going to showcase a versatile commercial facility that's designed to support a wide range of business operations, from fleet maintenance and equipment storage to administrative offices and possible future expansion opportunities. This property combines functionality and flexibility all in one package, so let's step inside and see what makes this opportunity worth considering. Hey folks, we're located at 725 Enfield Road in the town of Lincoln today. Let me tell you a little bit about the location. From here, we're about 3.5 miles to downtown Lincoln, where you find a hospital and shopping and all kinds of services. From here to I-95 is about 10 miles. So if your business is supported by transportation, which most likely this property will be utilized for, then you're going to want to know that. Route 2 is just a couple miles away, about 4, I think it is. Route 6, again, about 5 miles. So we're right here in the hub of Penobscot County. And if you're in the logging business, the gravel business, the commercial trucking business, all things related to that, this could be a great location for you. So today I'm going to show you the land. It was over 5 acres here. We've got the big truck garage and the office space, totaling more than 6,000 square feet of space. High ceilings, high doors. Let's go take a look around. Stick with me, folks. This is a really cool property. All right, we come into the office right off the street. We got 2 steps up, so it's pretty easy access. There's a reception area here. The floors are tile through the hallway, and we've got laminate flooring on each of the rooms other than the hallways. Off to my right, we have a kitchenette. Got some storage closets in here, place for a little dining room table, gathering space for your fruit. And then that leads into one of 2 offices on this floor. This is a nice space. And again, all laminate floors, got plenty of lighting, big windows looking out over the backyard. And then over here, we have a really large storage closet at the end of this hallway. Come in and take a look at that, or you want me to put the lights on for you, so you can see what you got there. And then over here, we've got the second office space. This is a nice large room. We've got a large desk in here. A lot of equipment is going to be staying with this sale, so we'll kind of go over that a little bit later. Then through this room, we come down 2 steps, actually 3, and we got a large conference room with a conference table, plenty of room for file cabinets and storage out in here. Let's see, which way am I going to take you? I think I'll take you downstairs through the office. This door here goes to a parts room on the 2nd floor, which is up above the garage space. We'll check that out when we come back around from the garage. So let's go look downstairs under this building and then into the main garage space. Okay, we're right here at the front entry door where the reception office is, and we proceed down these stairs. So we're going to go down these stairs and show you where this enters the garage space. All right, we're coming out of the stairway here from the office space up above, and we come into another parts area that could be used for parts. There is a normal overhead door. I think that's a 7-foot door. We got racks for storage in here. This is all concrete, board floors and walls. So there's your entry back upstairs. As we head this way, we're going to enter the main garage building. This building is 126 feet long and 41 or 42 feet wide. We'll go over a list of stuff. A lot of what you see, there's a waste oil storage in here. There is a waste oil furnace. So you got that for heat in here, which is really efficient if you're working in a truck garage or any kind of commercial garage. All kinds of space, folks. I think the ceilings here, I think I measured them at 15 feet. Those doors are 14-foot doors, both overhead down below. And let's go this way. I'm going to show you another parts area over here. And there is a pit that's in the floor. I'm guessing at one time they were able to bring vehicles in here, possibly. That's all boarded over now. Now it's used as truck tire storage and more storage space for fuels and lubricants. And there's another hydraulic oil tank, a couple more here. All right, let's go back down this way. These are the stairs here leading back up to that parts room that we saw coming off the conference room upstairs. Entry door here to the rear of the building. There's a big parking lot, as you probably saw in the drone footage. We'll talk about the land a little bit more later. And then there's another office space down here. So, this building could be sublet if you didn't need it all. There's a lot of space. You got 2 offices here. And again, we've got another entry to the south side of the building right here. And more closet. That door there goes back out into the main garage. Let me see. What else can we show you here? I think we showed you a lot. Let's go back out in the garage and we'll talk about the equipment. So let's talk about what personal property is going to remain with this sale. In the office, we have a desk and a credenza up there, conference room tables with 3 chairs. We've got a stove, a small refrigerator, 2 computer desks are up there. The downstairs office, we have a couple more desks and chairs. In the garage, the Nissan forklift, that will remain with the property. We've got a Miller welder, a MIG welder, a zip wash station, which is fairly new, in very good condition. We got a 7-ton airlift jack. We got power pressure washer in here. We got 5 waste oil containers. We got a waste oil furnace with a holding tank. We got a couple major shelves that we showed you in the area under the office space. The Ingersoll Rand air compressor will remain with the property. We got spare Ace Oxy tank holder. Let's see, what else do we have? We got 2 more oil tanks, 2 metal tables, a chop saw, and a press. So this place comes pretty well equipped. There's a lot of tools in here that will not remain with the sale, but there's a lot of stuff that will. Well, we've got a lot of space in this building, and this location is zoned RR1, which is Rural Residential 1 in the town of Lincoln. It allows for residential use, obviously, it's in the name, but it also allows many other potential uses. A lot of them are going to require a planning board permit, but I don't think you'll find the town of Lincoln to be a hard town to do business in. It's always been a very business-friendly town. So you can do some, obviously, truck garage work here. You could run that. You could do some light manufacturing at this location. What would you do? What's your business looking to do? Share that in the comments down below. Maybe you're not actually in business, but you want to be. What would you like to do with this property? All right, folks, we've got a pretty good tour of the inside of this building. If you are very interested in this, check the link below in the description. We've got a full Matterport tour that includes a complete floor plan and walkthrough of the garage, the bathroom spaces, and we probably ought to show you those. We haven't shown you those yet. We'll do that before we go outside. But you'll be able to see that, the office, all in one floor plan. Very helpful. You can break it down by floors. You can measure rooms to see if your equipment's going to fit in here. A lot of things you can do with that, so don't miss that in the description. And if you can't find it, call me and I'll email you a link to it. So let's go back down through here before we go outside and look at the bathroom facilities that are off the truck garage. We've got 2 bathrooms. These are just, they're bathrooms for work. So there's a flush and sink in here and another flush and sink in this room. And the pressure tank from the well is housed in this closet in between the 2 bathrooms. So that pretty well wraps that up. We're going to take a walk out and look at the backyard and all the space you have to use for storage or vehicles or whatever you're looking to do. All right, we're coming out the back door of the garage building. And we're coming into the big parking area out here. You check out the drone footage. I'm sure you'll have that on the screen right now. But we got 5.6 acres of land here. And we have drilled well. We got private septic. So we're outside of town, outside of the water and sewer district. But we've got a lot of space here. So if you look around all this parking area, all the way around, yes, you could park 100 vehicles in here, maybe more. We got 500 feet roughly on the road. And good access, good power, good communications in this town. I don't know more you could want. Let's go back in and we'll wrap this video up for you. Hey, folks, thanks for taking the tour of 725 Enfield Road with me today. I'm not sure if you're looking to expand your business, relocate your business, you just like investing in commercial real estate, or maybe you're looking to start up a new enterprise. No matter what you're looking to do, I think 725 Enfield Road is worth a look. if this is the kind of building you're looking to either expand into, build, or relocate to. Give me a call at 800-286-6164. We can send you a whole lot more information on this property. The list price on this is $395,000. The taxes are up here on the screen right now. We got 5.6 acres. We've got over 6,000 square feet under roof in this building between the office and the garage. 500 feet along the road. We're only 3.5 miles from the hospital. So we've got a great location and a great facility for a price that I think if you're looking to build new, you've got to look at this first. Talk to you later.